Hi, I'm Ali and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be an unboxing of the March 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This just arrived in the mail yesterday, and at the very end of the video I'll be sharing some tips and tricks to this subscription bag program, so I hope you'll stay tuned to the end. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so inside everything is packaged okay. There's some I guess kind of a foam shipping protector. There's a little pamphlet that tells you everything that's inside, and of course the products. So first I have a Benefit Sunbeam Golden Bronze Complexion Highlighter. It says it's liquid sunshine in a bottle. So it seems to be maybe a liquid highlight. Ooh, it is. So this is what it comes. So there's a little swatch. I'll try to even it out. Oh, I think it'll be okay. I was worried that it looked a little too dark for my complexion, but maybe sheared out it'll be okay. Okay. Next I have Candy Johnson Fur Perlice Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. So this just looks like a moisturizer, and oh, this is interesting. On the back it says it's beauty through Asian wisdom, and I am really into Asian skincare products, so this will be interesting to try. Next is a 5-brush set from the brand Farah, I think, F-A-R-A-H. And this looks to be an eyeshadow brush set. It's always nice to get brushes in my subscription boxes. Next is Above and Beyond Mascara from the brand Miley. This is a black mascara. And it looks to be full size. Actually, I believe all Glam Bag Plus products should be full size. Okay, so there's a look at the wand. It's kind of a nice curved edge. I don't mind trying this when I'm done with my current Shop My Stash mascaras. And the highlight of the box is this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. I debated getting this in the past, but never did, so it's really nice to get it in this box. I also picked up a couple of add-ons for this box. So the first add-on that I picked, this was $3 extra. This is Ciate London Lip Buster. And it's a mini lip gloss in the shade Call Me. I've been really into lip glosses lately. Oops. There's the wand. Okay, so it's really sheer. I thought it might have a little more pink in it, but that's okay. I also added on an eyeshadow palette. This is a single eyeshadow from the Balm in the shade Bootylicious from the Nude Beach collection. Oh, and I just dug my thumb into it. That's what it looks like. Okay, kind of a bronzy, maroony bronze shade. And I added on for $12 the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. So overall, I'm really excited with this month's box. Okay, so for my tips. In order to get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you first need to be an Ipsy subscriber. It's a $10 a month subscription, but what I would recommend is rather than just signing up right away, put your email address in, maybe submit your profile, but when it gets to the step where you have to actually check out for the box, step back. Wait a couple of days and hopefully you'll get an email from Ipsy reminding you to check out, and hopefully they'll also offer you some free products for checking out at this time. That's what I did when I initially signed up for Ipsy, and I got a free eyeshadow brush and I think a lip scrub. So that was a bonus. That was really nice. Then once you already have your subscription, make sure to fill out the reviews of your products at the end of every month prior to the next month's product selection process. That way they'll get an idea of what products you like, what products you don't, and hopefully it'll get you a better box in the future. My next tip is something that I've just started doing recently, and that's to check out mysubscriptionaddiction.com for upcoming spoilers on the next month's bags. So when I found out that the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes were going to be in the March Glam Bag Plus, at the end of February, definitely before March 1st, I went back into my Ipsy profile, made sure that I had eyeshadows selected, and I selected that the eyeshadow palettes or the colors that I prefer are mauves and smokies. That way I kept my fingers crossed, hoping that that would kind of drive the selection process to getting me the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes, and maybe it worked because I did get it in my box this month. I want to note that I did have tried this before. Last month I wanted, I think the It Cosmetics face palette, so I did rearrange my selection, my preferences to reflect that I wanted face palettes, that I liked natural colors, but it didn't work last month. So I know it won't work every month, but I like to think that it did play a small part in me getting the Huda Beauty palettes this month. My final tip is to make sure that you check your email on the 2nd of every month around 8:30 a.m. Pacific time. That's when Ipsy will release an email telling you what you are getting in your Glam Bag or your Glam Bag Plus for the month, and it'll also give you an option to add on additional products that you may not have received in your box. I previously didn't want to look at the spoilers. I wanted to be surprised, but once I found out that you could select add-ons for a fraction of their price, I had to do it. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of my March 2019 Glam Bag Plus. Hopefully it may have inspired you to get your own subscription to Ipsy or upgrade to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I hope I was able to give you some helpful tips and tricks for your own subscription. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video.